In this video, we're going to look at percentage increase and decrease using a calculator. Previous knowledge required for this video is percentage of an amount or sum. Okay, so to increase £320 by 16%, you get a calculator and we will just find 16% of 320 equals £51.20. So 16% of 320 is equal to 51. Let's make sure I've got this number right, 20p. And then to increase, you add that on. So 320, add on 1520. So I'm just going to add that to 320 equals £371.20. Very straightforward. Increase it by 14.5%. So I just need to know what 14.5% of 320 is. So saying again, 14.5% of 320 is equal to that £46.40. Again, I'm going to ask to increase. So 320, add on 40. Add that to 320, 366 and 40. Now decrease is exactly the same thing, just get your 12%. $320 in again. 12% of 320 is equal to that, 38.40. Now, decrease means to subtract. So I'm going to get my answer. And what I'm going to do here is she's going to leave that 100 on the thing and go 320, subtract that answer, gives me £281.60. So 320 subtract £38.40 is equal to £281.60. Do one more example. I'm going to do this a little bit quicker. I just do this completely on the screen. 18.5% of 320 is equal to that number. And then it's decreased. So if I go 320, subtract that answer, I'm left with £260.80. Okay, here are some questions. Have a go. Best pause. The answers will appear in 1 moment. And there are your answers.